Good morning. Today is Sunday, January 7, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 7, 2024, Sunday. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for January 7, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, January 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.